Alright, so we are here in PowerPoint, and what we're going to do in this video is just show a way to make a little bit more subtle and a little bit more dynamic entry animation for either an object, a text, or an image that you have coming off of the bottom of the slide and then onto the main part of the slide. And you can do this using something like the fly-in, and sometimes that's appropriate. But we want to show a way to make that just a little bit subtle, look a little bit more, I think, professional, kind of something you might see in a professionally edited video. It's super easy to do, but what you want to do is you need to have your objects that you want to slide in. They need to be on a slide, and then you need to duplicate that. I think you can copy and paste. Sometimes PowerPoint gets a little bit confused if you copy and paste from one slide to the next, but it's definitely going to work if you just duplicate that slide. Alright, so once you've duplicated it, you can go up to Transitions and you can turn on Morph for that second slide, and then we'll just take those and move those down, and we should be able to see what PowerPoint does. Yep, so it automatically calculates that animation for a couple different properties. It's going to calculate it for size, opacity, and then, like we did just there, for position. But if you want to have those objects come in from either the side or the bottom or the top, what you're going to do is you're going to position them off the slide. And then we'll take a look at that. And that's nice. I think that looks very good and definitely appropriate for some situations, but there might be a way to make that look a little bit more interesting, and to do that we're going to stagger those. Just increase the distance for each one from the main slide. Now when we take a look at that, they're going to come in just with slightly different timing, with that ease at the finish, and I think that gives you a really nice look. You can even double the distance kind of each time to get it farther and farther away. And again, it just gives you kind of that professional quality, as though somebody has used video editing software to make that happen. And PowerPoint does that all for you relatively easily, just using that Morph Transition feature. So if you like this video, I appreciate a thumbs up, and if you want to see more tips like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.